3D printing is an innovative technology that has revolutionized the way we think about manufacturing. Using specialized machines, 3D printers can create physical objects by layering materials one on top of the other, based on a digital model. One of the most exciting things about 3D printing is its versatility. It can be used to create everything from small toys to large-scale architectural models. And because the process is digital, it's easy to modify designs and create custom objects tailored to individual needs. One of the most promising applications of 3D printing is in the medical field. 3D printing can be used to create custom prosthetic limbs and other medical devices. Because each patient's needs are unique, 3D printing allows for a level of customization that was previously impossible. This can make a big difference in the quality of life for people with disabilities. Another area where 3D printing is making a big impact is in the automotive industry. Car manufacturers are using 3D printing to create parts that are lighter, stronger, and more efficient than traditional manufacturing methods. This can lead to significant cost savings and environmental benefits. 3D printing is even being used to create entire buildings. This technology is still in its early stages, but there are already examples of 3D printed houses and other structures being built around the world. This has the potential to revolutionize the construction industry by making buildings faster, cheaper, and more sustainable. These are just a few of the ways that 3D printing is changing the world. With its versatility, customization, and efficiency, 3D printing has the potential to transform manufacturing and many other industries. As this technology continues to evolve, we can look forward to even more exciting applications and possibilities.